Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending family or parents Polaroid photo editing using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Polaroid photo looks like and I'm going to show you how you can create this photo. First of all guys, you can visit gemini.google.com or you can open up Gemini app, and then I'm going to create new chat on Gemini, and here we need to choose nano banana feature shown by this banana icon. And then you can upload your photo with your family or your parents, and I'm just going to upload this photo and also this one, and then I'm going to click on open, and then you're going to add this prompt. Okay, this is the prompt, and for this prompt I'm going to put it on the description. Okay, and you can modify the prompt guys according to your needs. For example, if you don't want them to hug, you can delete the sentence and you can replace it with another one that you need. And then I'm going to click on the submit icon to submit the photos and also the prompt, and the AI will create a Polaroid photo with these two photos. Okay, and now it's done guys. This is the result. And then if you want to download it, you just need to click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!